go up. You ready? Awesome. Ready? Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit. I'll show you how. Story time is starting now.
Hi everybody, it's time to sing our ABCs. Are you ready? I'm ready. All right, let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Uh-oh, we're missing a letter. Do you know what letter it is? Well, let's see. This letter is purple, and after that, there's a red letter. And there's a purple letter, and that's a red letter. So this is purple. I think this letter is going to be, what color? Red. Good job, everybody. I found a red letter. It's the letter M. M for Mom and memories and moments and Millie and all kinds of good things. So we found the letter. Good job, everybody. Teamwork. All right, let's try the ABCs again. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job, everybody. That was the letter M we were missing. I'm glad we found it.
Friends and family. Someone to spend time with. Someone to smile with. Someone to laugh with. Someone to cry with. They're there when you're happy. They're there when you're sad. Family and friends are always around. The end.
Hi, everybody. We're talking about friends and family today. So I have just a little thing that maybe you can do with your family, and even talk about how your family is mostly your first friends. Because when you're little, obviously your family are the ones that you're around the most, and so they are your friends, even though they're family. And then obviously as people get older, they have play dates and things like that, and they gain friends outside of their family. So this little activity is just talking about some of the things that are the same and different. So I have things that are the same and different. So first of all, I have a picture of me. So there's a picture of me, and here is a picture of my mom. So in the picture of my mom, you can tell that she has glasses on. So she's different from me because she has glasses on and I do not. Now, as you can tell, I'm wearing glasses, and in the picture I do not have them. I don't wear them all the time. So in this picture, she has her glasses and she wears them all the time. So in this picture, they're different. And if you look at her hair and my hair, they're different because my hair is dark and her hair is light. So you can look at things like your eye color or your hair or larger and smaller, talking about how people, grown-ups are bigger and kids are littler until they grow up, and then sometimes they get bigger than their parents. But you can make all those comparisons, talk about your family members, how they look different, how our skin tone is different. And it doesn't mean that you have differences on the inside. It talks about the differences that you see with your eyes. So I have a little person here I made, and this is my little person. And you could say, do you have a brother or a sister? And if you do, are they bigger than you or are they smaller than you? So I have a little one right here. So if they have a smaller sibling, you can talk about how they're the bigger brother or sister and how the little one is smaller. So you can talk about those differences. You can talk about if they were twins, how maybe they do have differences, even though they're twins. Maybe one's a boy, maybe one's a girl, maybe there's two girls. So you can talk about differences. You can talk about adults and how they are bigger. And sometimes, with kids, you have different people in your family. Maybe you have grandparents or aunts or uncles or cousins that live with you. So you can talk about how you're related and how important it is to understand your family and understand all the people in your life. So here's a picture of me and my dad. And so there you go. There's a picture of me and my dad. And again, he has glasses on and I don't in this picture, but as you can tell, I'm wearing my glasses. So, but I have a bigger family than just me. I also have brothers and a sister, and so they are younger than me. And when we were very young, I was the biggest and they were the smallest. So all of those things in your family, especially when people can't be together, it's kind of nice maybe even to find pictures of them and cut them out. Talk about eye color, talk about their hair, if it's long or short. You can talk about maybe things that they have that are similar, like their smile or their features, like their nose or their chin or their cheeks. I have a dimple in my cheek, and so I get that from part of my family. So those are all things that you can talk about, and talk about your family, even though maybe you don't see them, how we have so many things about us that are like them. So hopefully you enjoy that little activity that you can do. Like I said, you can make little paper cutouts, or you can actually find pictures of your family and you can put them together on a table and lay them out and talk about things that are the same and things that maybe are different. Or if you don't have pictures, you can cut out little people. And I just folded my paper in half and cut around to make the legs, and went up and made the little body part, made the arms and the little neck, and then half for the head, and kind of like a little gingerbread family. So I hope you get to enjoy your family and all the people in your family, and understand that we all look a little bit different, but we're all connected. Have a great day.
Hi everyone! How are you guys today? I hope you're having a wonderful day. We are going to play a game, and it is called the walking game. So I'm going to say something, and then you do it. I'll say it with you. So we're going to start. It's going to go walking, walking, and you go walking, walking, hop, hop, hop. Go hop, hop, hop. Running, running. You go running, running. And now we stop. Now we stop. All right, we're going to speed it up a little faster. Do you think you can do it? I think you can do it too. walking, walking, walking. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Running, 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 running. Now we stop. Now we stop. Oh my goodness, you guys did such a good job. See ya.
Hi everybody, how are you? All right, I'm gonna say something. Let's see if you guys can help me, okay? Everybody has a name. Some are different, some the same. Some are short and some are long. All are right, none are wrong. I like my name. It's special to me. It is exactly who I want to be. My name is Lori, like Miss Lori. What is your name? Can you tell me your name? Ooh, those are good names. I like all those names. There's lots of good names out there. Maybe someone has a name like mine, because some are the same and some are different. And my name starts with L, the letter L for Lori. What does your letter start with? The first letter of your name. L for Lori. And what is your letter? Can you tell me? Oh, I heard lots of good letters out there. Good job, everybody.
1. There is one person. 2. There are 2 people. 3. There is 3 friends and family. 4. There is 4 friends and family. 5. There is 5 friends and family. 6. There is 5, 6 friends and family. 7. There is 5, 6, 7 friends and family. 8. There is 5, 6, 7, 8 friends and family. 9. There are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 friends and family. 10. There is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 friends and family.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Amber and this is Tucker. We're going to sing a song for you. I'm a little snowman, round like a ball. Here are my buttons, here is my hat. When the sun comes out, I can't play, 'cause I'll just slowly melt away. Say bye!
Hello, friends. How are you? I'm Fred, and I'm happy to meet you. I want you to meet my family. My family lives with me, and we do lots of fun things together. First, I want you to meet my Uncle Joe. My Uncle Joe lives upstairs, and he tells us funny stories about my mom when she was little. And this is my mom. She works real hard at the school. She works in the cafeteria and makes lots of good food for all the kids. And she makes me pizza. It's my favorite. And this is my sister. She's Sophia. She helps me write my name, and she goes to the big school where my mom works. And she reads me stories every day. So, I hope you got to see all my family, and you know what? Our family's getting ready for all the fun holidays. We hope your family's having fun for the holidays too. So, from my family to yours, happy holidays, friends and family.
Hi guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. We are going to sing If You're Happy and You Know It. And today I have a little instrument right here. Now you may be thinking, Sandra, that's not an instrument, it's a water bottle. You're right. I took a water bottle and I took some cookies that I had. They're just plastic, but I put the cookies in the water bottle. That way, when I shake the bottle, they make noise. You can do something like this, or if you have any other kind of noise maker, you can use that. Or you can just clap your hands, stomp your feet, and shout hooray. You guys ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. Awesome job, guys.
The holiday season is typically when we make most of our favorite family recipes. Ask your kids what their favorite meals are, and together using the link below, make a family recipe book.